babes, it's your girl Asia Lorraine here, and today's video is going to be me slaying this makeup look. I'm going to show you guys how I done this eyelash, how I did these lips, guys. It's from my website. If you guys want to see more, or if you guys want to see how I do this look, keep on watching, guys. If you guys want to see more of my videos, subscribe. Okay, I know I'm not that active. I know if you heard of my beauty line, Lorraine XL Beauty, if you checked out my website, if you purchased from me before, keep on watching if you guys want to see how I did this look. And it's definitely one of my favorite spring looks. I feel like it's not too bold, not too, you know, it's just right. So guys, keep on watching. I hope you like this video. Yeah. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera, but now I'm about to put on some primer. You guys all know I use the Sally Skin Tune Blur. Kind of running low, but instead of using like the squeeze tube to tap it, I was literally going to buy me another one, but I'm like, no need. I use e.l.f. Deep Olive Concealer. I need more. Oh my god, I'm going to Target later, so I'm definitely going to buy more. I just like to plug this where I need it, and basically where my dark circles are, because I need to blend this out. And I'm using Morphe M535. You can use this as a eyeshadow brush, but I love using it to blend out my concealer. So okay babes, so right now we're about to apply foundation. I'm going to use Organs in Bloom. I freaking love this stuff. This is a very, I look so like, sorry guys, I look so like, has SPF, which is great, and that's why I love this foundation. I got it from Influencer, but I did like their reviews and stuff. I'm also going to wear Lancome, this one, and I'm in 540W, and for this one I am 730 Very Deep. I love mixing my foundation because I feel like it just comes out better like that. I'm almost out of this, and guys, Lancome is pricey if you don't know. And then I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow. I want to try this out instead of All Nighter, because I know All Nighter is a bomb, but I love when my face is glowy, so I kind of want to try this one instead. So before I put on foundation, just so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna take our damp beauty blender. Guys, I feel like I need a whole collection of beauty blenders because I kind of get sick of like washing it like every freaking time. Hopefully you guys can see that right now. This this ain't doing it justices, but watch, the progress is, see, if I stand back, see, but in the light it's like kind of light. Teal concealer and contour. So you guys know I like to take my Fenty Beauty Stick in Espresso and basically just pull out this. I like to apply this. Love to have a snatch nose. Okay, like I just got surgery. I'm going to take Tarte in Media Tan Sand, and I'm going to take the concealer that I use for my brows. You guys know I like to highlight underneath my eyes. blend this cream contour. So guys, let me know in the comments what you did for Easter. By the time that you guys are seeing this, I know Easter is like literally like what, 3 days away. I'm uploading this tomorrow, which is Wednesday. What I did was go to Six Flags with Mama, and it was really fun, but it sucks because everyone and their mama, their grandma, their cousins literally went to Six Flags that day, and like we literally just went on 2 rides. Literally 2 rides, and y'all, it was everyone was kind of pretty close together and stuff like that. Like it was just like really bad. No, I don't know if like they rehearsed these or like I am not sure, and I don't think they even like cleaned the seats before like we went on, you know. So like it was like really bad, and I literally thought they were gonna have capacity of like 25% people to like come in the park. It seemed like it was like 75. Like I was just so confused as to why everyone was there. I mean, yes, Six Flags just opened up, but it's like not why everyone was there. I just feel like Six Flags just done like really a terrible job of like, you know, keeping us like safe. So if you do plan on going to Six Flags, just like, this is like my way of saying like, if you guys are like very conscious about the virus still, then do not go to Six Flags because it's going to be crowded. You're gonna wait in that long freaking line for 2 hours. Okay guys, so we're about to put on Fenty Beauty powder contour. I'm pretty scared to go on the rides because like I haven't been to Six Flags in like a year, like we all haven't. Like low-key scary. Like I feel like I wasn't prepared. Let me know in the comments below if you've been at Six Flags, and if you have, what is like your favorite ride there. My favorite ride is Goliath, but I couldn't even go on that one because that was we didn't even have enough time to even like walk over there, because if you guys know, the park is a little bit like spread out everywhere. It's not really like a big park, but it's pretty spread out. Just set our face. Spring, I'm just going to do like a pink look. So I wanted to take the ColourPop eyeshadow and we're just gonna play around with it. So I actually done this look before and I just want to show you guys how I do it. So we're just going to take Obsession, which is this color right here, and then just we're gonna like swip it up. After Midnight, which is this one right here, and then just put this on like the inner corner. We're going to do blush, guys. You guys know I love a good blush. So we're going to take Anastasia. Y'all, I put way too much. I forgot how pigment this is. And I have a beauty blender. I'm about to take off this powder and then we're gonna go on to my lips and lashes. So I just changed backgrounds. I didn't really like the background, but I really changed it. So we're going to put on some lashes and we're going to put on my lashes from my cosmetic line, Lorraine XO Beauty, if you didn't know. And these are in Icy, and it looks just like this, if I can be. So make sure you guys look into my previous video to see that. Okay babe, so I just put on the lashes and now I'm about to put on some gloss and like lipstick. I need something on my lips. The Lorraine XO Beauty in Bittersweet. This is how it looks. One of my favorite new lipsticks. My favorite everyday lipstick is definitely like a lip liner with the nude in the middle and gloss everywhere. Put everywhere on your lips. I don't have lip liner. That is definitely one of the things I'm gonna come out with soon, so guys look out for that. I'm going to do like a little hack for myself. Definitely Hill, and I use like the darkest eyeshadow color and mix it with that one. Find any like colors that like fits. So just these two colors really like help. Brush is because this, I don't want too much of this on my lips, so we're just gonna plop this in the middle. Just like that. Look how bomb this is, bro. Okay, so I'm going to take my Lorraine XO Beauty Gloss in Diamond, and I do like to use this lip gloss to plot this in between. 1, 2. Not sticky, guys. It's not sticky. It's like the real deal. Like, I love it. This is so cute. These two together with the lip liner, y'all, this is freaking bomb. Like, you guys need to try this out. Go to my website and go to www.lorrainexobeauty and purchase these, guys. You won't regret it. You definitely regret it. It just so freaking bomb. I love it so much. From my tutorial, my kind of like spring, I don't think this really was a tutorial, to be honest. Ready with me, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please check out my small business, the Lorraine XO Beauty. Let me know what you guys think of this look. You guys tell me what you guys think of these lashes as well. These are in Icy. They're very long, they're very cute, and I love them so much. Actually, they're like everything right now. My lashes are super bomb. They're very high quality for affordable price, so I definitely recommend you guys check out my website. I am having a sale for $20 off if you spend over $60, and the code is Easter Babe. I know Easter has passed, but okay, not over here. Easter is still going until this Friday. So hey, my products are very cheap. You get all that stuff if you spend over $60, guys, and you get $20 off. Who does that? Guys, I am going to start posting more. Let me know what you guys want to see, like vlogs, makeup tutorials. I am going to do like more business stuff as well. Watch me package orders and stuff like that. When I get like a lot of orders, then I'll definitely do that. Hey guys, have a nice day. Bye.